Want to earn money online in 2025 without any prior experience? Here are 7 AI tools that can help you get started. Jasper AI. What does it do? Jasper AI assists in creating high-quality content effortlessly. How will it help? Use Jasper to write blogs, ads, and social media posts, and offer these services to businesses. Canva AI. What does it do? Canva AI simplifies the design process. How will it help? Design stunning graphics and videos with ease. Sell your creations on platforms like Etsy, or offer freelance design services. Synthesia. What does it do? Synthesia enables the production of professional videos without a camera. How will it help? Use AI avatars and voiceovers to create explainer videos or online courses. Copy AI. What does it do? Copy AI generates compelling marketing copy in seconds. How will it help? Assist businesses with email campaigns, product descriptions, and more. Shopify AI. What does it do? Shopify AI streamlines e-commerce operations. How will it help? Launch your own online store. Utilize AI to manage inventory, customer service, and personalized marketing. Pictory. What does it do? Pictory transforms long-form content into short, shareable videos. How will it help? Perfect for social media marketing and content repurposing. ChatGPT API. What does it do? ChatGPT API integrates AI chatbots into websites or apps. How will it help? Offer customer support solutions or create interactive user experiences. Interested in a step-by-step guide on any of these? Comment 1, 2, or 3 below. I'll create a detailed tutorial for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online with AI.